This is a pre-built version of the application. So let's go ahead and run the server, and if we run multiple clients, everything will be running in this tab, so we cannot move it outside the tab and see all clients and servers running at the same time. So we can only see one at a time. So to get around this, let's go ahead and open up several IDEs, and they will all be going against the same code base. So here we have three clients and the server, and let's do also, this will have two other clients running from the command prompt. So let's cd to the directory where we have our code. Actually, this is the directory where we have our code, and same here. And this is where we have our Python. So let's set the path. And run two clients. So this is the first client, and second one, third, number 4, and number 5. So now we have those 5 participants in the chat, and we can list the participants for each one of the clients. And they can all participate in the chat. And let's go ahead and exit this one, and this one, and this one, and now here he's the only one in the chat. Now the source code will be available for download. Also a longer version that includes coding and test running the application will be available for watching by all channel members.